Hi, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. I continue to share with you my finds, and today I want to talk about one fantastic tool that I'm using in my business. I discovered it. I'm making sales via internet, via Instagram. So for Instagram, if you do the same thing for Instagram, I found INSTACRUSHER 2. This package contains 4 pieces of software that allows you to improve your Instagram. If you're selling in internet, you know that Instagram is a great opportunity to find new customers and to find free traffic. So I want to show it to you. After you watch this video till the end, check the link. I will leave it for you in the description. And if you click it, you will have your own private bonus for buying this software. It's actually cool, but just check it out.
Imagine if you discover a brand new opportunity with 700 million buyers every 30 days. A secret gold mine with 52 times more engagement than Facebook that's currently creating more free traffic millionaires every day than all the other internet platforms combined. A place where you can plug in 4 new softwares to generate sales like this every week. The name of this gold mine? Instagram. And right now, thousands of affiliates and internet pioneers like you are already making $100 to $1,000 per day promoting products on Instagram for free right this second. Like Ali Mafucci, who started Inspiralized, an Instagram account on turning vegetables into spaghetti dishes. She's now quit her corporate job and is raking in thousands of dollars daily. Or Shirley Braha, who has over 2 million followers on Marnie the dog just by posting pictures of her dog. She now earns a fortune by featuring famous celebrities. Or the Fat Jewish, who only posts other people's funny pictures and now makes 6 figures promoting their accounts too. If these completely random, frankly ridiculous accounts can earn 6 figures fast, isn't it time you joined the feeding frenzy and started getting results like this now? So, how do you do it? Presenting INSTACRUSHER 2.0, a new software that automates every step needed to join the Insta millionaires making money like this, from massive and 100% free followers like this every day. An automated tool suite which literally does everything for you, from finding the niche to creating the posts to selling to the right audience. All you have to do is click Instago and watch the sales pour in. All this for the cost of only a couple of coffees from your local cafe for lifetime access. If you're still watching this, congratulations. This 700 million buyer opportunity, when combined with my 3 $10,000 software tools, are about to change your life forever. Introducing INSTACRUSHER 2.0, with 4 completely unique softwares designed to make you the most Insta money, traffic, and leads with the least time and effort. So let's run through the exact process I use to dominate the most profitable niches on Instagram. Step 1. Choose your niche. Start by browsing the InstaDB software and choosing a hot niche with lots of 6-figure accounts, filled with rapid buyers who click through like crazy. Each of these niches are proven to make tens of thousands of dollars every day. There's thousands to choose from, any of which will yield massive results. Step 2. Prepare your content. Content is key on Instagram, so you'll use 2 powerful new approaches to prepare your content. First, start by looking at what content is performing great on the top accounts in your niche on InstaDB. This will only take about 30 seconds. Second, enter your niche and keywords you found in InstaDB into our Insta template software to generate template text for your chosen niche, based on profit-boosting posts proven to convert followers into buyers. Step 3. Create your content. Now you know what posts to create, it's time to make them. Head over to our Auto Insta software. Just enter the background image and text you found earlier in Insta template, and an optimized Instagram image post is automatically created. This is the exact approach used by the Instagram elite, but without needing expensive designers and complicated briefs. Auto Insta does it automatically, giving you the type of posts that get free likes like this and build viral followers like this. Step 4. Okay, now it's time to take things to the next level. And that's where our new Insta Cinema software comes in. Insta Cinema lets you create awesome cinemagram that mix image with the power of video. These cinemagrams are the latest tactic used by huge celebrities. So now you'll be getting monster shares, likes, and clicks using the latest Insta trick for 2018. Step 5. Hit 10,000 followers in a matter of days, just like we did. Creating great content is half the battle of getting followers, but there's much more to it. We'll show you how to hack Instagram tactics like shoutouts, reposts, to force yourself to the top of the newsfeed and get massive free traffic. This way you'll be sure you're building a relevant, buyer-hungry audience that you can turn into swarms of free traffic and leads. Step 6. Monetize. Now you have a huge following and great engagement, but how do you drive traffic and turn those clicks into dollars? Like I said, it's all about promoting products and your audience already wants to buy. We'll show you exactly how with our step-by-step training. It's as simple as that. Imagine if you had access to 4 new software tools this powerful. Well, stop imagining. Here's the proof that we've used these exact softwares to build a brand new Instagram account from 0 to 10,000 product-hungry customers in just 30 days. See for yourself. We generated over $1,000 in just 45 days by cashing in on just a few little-known free traffic tactics, and we're still growing rapidly every single day. Imagine what you could do with an extra $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 every single month. Here's the best part. You can get these 4 powerful softwares right now, and for the cost of just 2 regular-sized coffees. And with the amount of money you stand to make, you can buy the entire coffee shop later. That's right, if you act before the special launch offer ends, you can get one-click Insta for just $7 for lifetime access, including all 4 software tools. The AutoDB software, a database packed with all the hottest, most profitable niches for you to dominate. AutoInsta, a tool which automatically generates high-conversion images from your text to use in your post, saving you hours of searching manually. And Insta Template, a powerful software with proven high-profit templates for you to simply fill in the blanks for your niche and make huge money. Insta Cinema, a new software which creates incredible cinemagrams to combine the best of video and images in incredibly engaging viral celebrity-style posts. And, as a bonus, you'll receive 12 step-by-step videos where I'll show you exactly how to use these softwares for maximum Instagram domination, including how we built our first 10,000 followers in just over a month by bending the Instagram rules 100% legally. Plus, we'll cover core topics like how to choose the most profitable 1% of niches and affiliates and internet marketers, how to create awesome content that sucks in thousands of likes, followers, and free clicks, how to get followers quickly and easily without spending a cent on ads, how to drive traffic to your website or local business for even more profits, plus other secret tips to dominating Instagram and stealing followers from those already making millions of dollars. Literally everything you'll need to dominate Instagram for tens of thousands of dollars per month is packed into this $7 offer. If you could buy a ticket to the Caribbean for $7, you'd jump all over it. This offer is a $7 ticket to absolute freedom, both in time and money, so you can visit the Caribbean whenever you want. It's a complete no-brainer. Now, I don't want to exclude people based on price, but you should know that when the timer hits below the 0, the price will increase forever, and it will never come back to this price of just $7. Now, if you've watched this far, you've already made up your mind, so welcome to the 1%. And the good news is, getting across to all my software tools is incredibly easy. Just click the buy button below, fill in a couple details, and get INSTACRUSHER 2.0 today. In fact, I'll send you a link personally, so you can get access to INSTACRUSHER 2.0 instantly and start making huge profits from Instagram right away. So click the Get Started button now for instant access to all the software tools and the training. Do it right away. You can't wait on this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.
Alright, so you get it, and I wish you good luck. I hope you will use this software and get your new subscribers, new customers. You will have the opportunity to make nice videos and photos easily, and it's gonna help you to grow your own business, to make more money. I will leave the link in this video below this video for you, so if you click it you can download this INSTACRUSHER with a bonus. So if you like this video, click like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you the next time, and I will share with you more useful information for your business. See ya.